Alright, hello Sci Chums. It's me, Faris from Grade 10 Hope. And if you want to explore the amazing discoveries of Newton, you're in the right video. Today we're showing you something fun, fascinating, and totally mind-blowing. Before we dive in, let us meet the Hope Production crew. Hope Production crew! Hi, I'm Denny.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Gwen here. I'm Nate. It's me, Faris. Isaac Newton is known for his groundbreaking work in mathematics and physics, including the laws of motion, the theory of universal gravitation, and the invention of calculus.
But today, Sci Champs, we are going to focus with the first law of motion.
Law of inertia!
Hello, Sci-Champs! So today, we are inside the science laboratory of Bataraza National High School. What are we going to do, guys?
Show them the examples of inertia.
Are you ready?
I'm for the go!
An object at rest tends to stay at rest. This is the inertia of rest.
Hello, Sci-Champs! So now we're done in our experiment. What do you want to do, guys?
Do you want to roam around the campus?
Yes!
Who's gonna drive?
Paris.
Let's go!
An object in motion tends to stay in motion with the same speed and direction. This is inertia of motion.
An object in motion tends to continue in a straight line unless a force changes its direction. This is inertia of a direction.
Are you ready to answer our questions, boss? First question po, are you familiar with Isaac Newton?
Yes.
Familiar din po ba kayo or na-encounter nyo na yung 3 laws of motion?
Yes.
Okay po, yung question ko po na last is, what do you think is the first law of motion?
I think, inertia. Law of inertia.
That's correct po. Thank you po.